Bitcoin is one of the craziest cryptocurrency in the stock market, reaching the price of $13,000 per Bitcoin. In 2020, Bitcoin has denominated as alternative currency for uncertain times. Bitcoin has risen more than 70% year to date, and this week announcement that PayPal will allow its users to buy, sell, and exchange the assets serve as another high-level endorsement for the cryptocurrency. Many investors call PayPal's move the biggest news of the year in crypto. Hi there, welcome to Investors Game. Today we're gonna talk about why Bitcoin is going up and what's the future for the digital currencies. Let me know in the comment box, would you invest in crypto market? But if you haven't done it yet, smash the like button and share this video with family and friends. Now let's get started. Earlier this month, Square purchased $50 million worth of Bitcoin as it further commits to viewing the digital currency as a long-term investment. But Bitcoin is still relatively a small asset class, and it's mostly favored by millennial investors who are not as influential in the market as older generations that predominantly favor physical gold. According to JP Morgan, the physical gold market is worth $2.6 trillion, which includes assets held within the gold ETFs. PayPal revealed that it has been speaking with different central banks globally on the role that it can play in the development of digital currencies. Paxos released a statement in which it confirmed that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin will initially be supported by PayPal. Also, PayPal users will be able to purchase cryptocurrency through the app and features a crypto wallet, letting users to buy, sell, and hold crypto. This is a big development for crypto adopting as PayPal is one of the biggest payment providers in the world. The platform has over 300 million of users and processed $222 billion worth of transactions in the second quarter of 2020. This news has been well received by the crypto community, with many saying that it could herald a new era of crypto adoption. Currently, you can buy Bitcoin with PayPal only in the eToro platform. With this new development, we expect that crypto brokers and possibly exchanges will integrate PayPal as a payment solution. But when Bitcoin increases its price, FOMO is present. But first, what does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out is a commonly used term in the cryptocurrency world. Also, FOMO is the fear that a trader will miss out on a critical increase in a cryptocurrency price when the price has already increased significantly, with the fear that the price will continue to rise and they may miss out on the gains. Most traders sell coins at the lower price to buy them on the rise. Now, how can we avoid FOMO? Sometimes the fear is so much that a trader finds it harder to ignore the urge to board the fast-moving train before it's too late. Sometimes fear may lead you to jump in a time when the rise is about to take a U-turn. In turn, the trader has to choose between making a loss or waiting until the price goes back to the green light. To fight the urge to jump in, remember, you don't always have to win. In the cryptocurrency world, winning and losses should always be on the trader's mind. Sometimes, a loss can be avoided by not following the impulse and emotions. Don't always be pampered by the good news. Instead, take time to remember the losses in the virtual currency world. As the losses linger, the FOMO melts. The digital currency war is prone to manipulation. One way it happens is by artificially pumping the price and dumping or selling the cryptocurrency. When the prices fall, those who fear on missing out on the rise end up making losses. Alright, because Bitcoin is used as a method of payment, countries also started creating their own digital currency. The payment process giant Further revealed that the launch of crypto operations will help the companies easily integrate central banks' digital currency, CBDC. The CBDC have been one of the biggest topics in the crypto space, with Bahamas recently launching their cent dollar. The European Union is also reaching plans for a digital euro, while China has reached advanced stages in the launch of a digital yuan. PayPal will partner with Paxos to support cryptocurrency payments and has already obtained a conditional cryptocurrency license from the New York State Department of Financial Services. In recent years, major banking institutions have explored this new currency system. As recently as this year, the Bank of England announced their initiative to create their own cryptocurrency. They've named it RS-Coin. This new digital currency shares many characteristics of the famous Bitcoin. Similarly, RS-Coin is managed using the same blockchain technology necessary for other virtual currency. Researchers at the University College of London developed this specific cryptocurrency. Even the Federal Reserve of the United States, which has long said it has no intention to introduce a digital currency, is planning to build a hypothetical, design, and test it. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell informed on Monday that before the central bank agrees to introduce a digital dollar, a great deal of work needs to be done. The ultimate goal of this practice is twofold. 1. The transaction can be executed more efficiently and lower with enhanced visibility. 2. A major banking authority addresses the nefarious aspects associated with cryptocurrency by instilling confidence and oversight. The modernized approach afforded by RS-Coin is a stark contrast from the traditional reserve currency. The predominant reserve currency of the world is the US dollar. This means that the US dollar is frequently used as a preferred form of payment in international trades. This is due to the flexibility and the low transaction cost of a purely digital currency. When an asset that only can be held in a digital form transaction across border becomes easier. Exchange rates are no longer an influence and movement is fast. It's possible to convince of the world where the mere existence of RS-Coin invigorates more trade. Also, JP Morgan had made their own digital currency as well. The currency is called JPM Coin, and it's a digital coin designed to make instantaneous payments using blockchain technology as well. Exchanging value, such as money between different parties over the blockchain, requires a digital currency. But how these famous currency coins work? Well, we're gonna use JP Morgan coin as an example. First, a JP Morgan client commits deposit to an designing account and receives an equivalent number of a JPM coins. Second, these JPM coins are used for transactions over the blockchain network with other JP Morgan clients. And finally, holders of JPM coins redeem them for US dollar at JP Morgan. One advantage of a digital currency is that customers doesn't have to access a bank account directly. The payments can be made through a bank system or a third-party app such as PayPal, Venmo, and Bitcoin wallets. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comment box, would you invest in the crypto market? Subscribe to my channel because every week I'm in YouTube with new content, and do not forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time.